Hello everyone. So this is the news coming from Wide Notice dated 9th November 2021. That means Indian Institute of Banking and Finance has revised, or you can say restructured, the subject papers for JIB, CIB, DBF and SOB. So as per their notification dated 9th November dated 2021, okay, the revised subject for JIB and DBF will be four subject. Keep in mind, instead of three subject, now they are going to conduct exam in four subject, and these four subjects are Indian economy and Indian financial system. First paper, second paper will be principle and practices of banking. So this paper they have retained. Okay, and Indian economy and Indian financial system they have taken from CAIIB. That means some part they have taken from there. And third paper, accounting and financial management for bankers. They have modified this accounting paper. Okay, that means earlier it was accounting and financial for bankers. Now they have taken the management also. Okay, so this paper they have modified. And fourth paper, retail banking and wealth management. This retail banking was the optional paper of CIB that they have taken from there. Okay, that means now for the JIB, the exam will be conducted in four papers instead of three papers, and these subject are restructured. That means they have taken from the CIB. That means this shows that difficulty level of JAIB has been increased, so you have to prepare yourself. Okay, now next coming to this was for JIB and DBF. Now coming to the CIB. Now for the CIB also they have restructured the subject. Okay, number one paper, my first paper, advanced bank management. Okay, they have retained this paper. And second paper is bank financial management, it's called AFBFM. Okay, these also paper they have retained. That means these two paper they have retained here. Okay, now they have introduced third paper also, advanced business and financial management. This paper they have introduced in the first time. And fourth paper, banking regulations and business laws. These banking regulations they have taken from JIB. Earlier it was the legal paper in JIB. Now they have taken from there, and they have increased the syllabus by introducing the business laws here. So in CIB also they have made four compulsory paper instead of two compulsory paper. Earlier there were two compulsory paper, one optional was there. Now they have made here four compulsory paper and one optional paper. That means now CIB will be conducted in five papers. Okay, means 4 plus 1. You can clearly see here they have written here 4 plus 1 means four compulsory paper and one elective paper means optional paper. Okay, earlier it was 2 plus 1. Now it is 4 plus 1. That means they have increased the syllabus. Now you have to write exam in five papers. And elective papers, risk management, information technology and digital banking, central banking, human resource bank management, and rural banking. They have removed retail banking from here. That was a very easy subject, very easy elective subject they have removed here from here. So you have to prepare accordingly yourself. Okay, now moving ahead for the SOB examination, they have uh, introduced two compulsory papers, the principle and practices for banking. They have taken from JIB, and banking regulation and business law. Okay, banking regulation and business law. You can see here once again here CIB paper. Okay, so one is from JIB, other from the CIB. But now you'll be thinking from which date or from which examination these new syllabus will be introduced. Okay, so as per this notification, IIBF is planning to introduce these subject with effect from November-December 2021. That means they have written here revised syllabus are tentatively proposed to be held November-December 2022. Sorry, not 21, 2022. I'll repeat once again here. They are planning to conduct exam with new syllabus with effect from November-December 2022. 2. Okay, so if you see these two lines of this line and this line, these lines are contradictory to each other. So that means this first line is showing that new syllabus will be introduced with effect from November December 2022, where they are telling here old syllabus will continue up to November December 2022. But anyhow, they are planning with effect from May June 2023. So you are getting 2 or 3 chances to clear the JIB or CIB examination. So be prepare yourself, put your full effort, means अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा के एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करिए. आगे आने वाले 2 या 3 एग्जाम में आपको JIB CIB क्लियर करना है. Okay, so we'll get only 2 chance coming this chance. Okay, January, February, and next your one chance you will get. That means either 2 or 3. If we are implementing from May June 2023, you will get 3 chance. If they are implementing November December, you will get only 2 chance as per your old syllabus, because old syllabus is easy as compared to the new syllabus. Because in old syllabus you are having only 3 subjects in each JIB and CIB, whereas in as per new syllabus you will have 4 subjects in JIB and 5 subjects in CIB. So thank you very much. This is the news for you. So for our more news and more update, please keep on watching my videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good day.